welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an amazing day. Today I have a huge fall home decor haul to share with you guys. This is everything I've picked up for this year, and I believe it's everything that I will pick up, other than, you know, your girl's gonna be checking out the Target dollar spot whenever they decide to come out with their stuff. So the colors that I've been kind of like drawn towards this year are like the amber glass, really just like this brown with like the amber glass and some orange. I really love like natural fall colors, like the traditional fall colors. I do like to like kind of keep it more muted though than in past years where I've made it really bright, but I still just love like the orange kind of like popping out at you and being like, hey, 'tis fall. I just love that color scheme. So that's kind of what I went for. I'm gonna start off with Michaels. I have a bunch of stores. I have Michaels, Hobby Lobby, Joann, Decor Steals, Amazon, so many stores. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into this. I'm gonna start with Michaels. We actually stopped there. This is the very first store I went to for fall decor. We stopped there on our way home from vacation. I don't have a Michaels close to me. It's like 45 minutes away, so that's not horrible, but I just don't go that way ever. So when we passed it on the way home from vacation, I decided to stop. So the very first thing I picked up was this little milk jug with a B on it for our last name. This was $14.99, but it was 40% off. Everything there was 40% off. I love that this can be used like throughout the year. I can make it go with different seasons, yet it's still like that brown color that I'm really loving for fall, so can get mixed in really well with my decor. And then I also picked up this little apple basket. I'm obsessed with these this year, but I'm not doing apple decor, so I only got one just because I wasn't sure how I was going to mix it in. Now I'm wishing I got more because I can mix these in so many different ways. But this was originally $8.99 and then 40% off. This was their smallest one. So cute. They had a whole section of super cute apple decor, and it made me genuinely like want to do apples in my kitchen, but that's just not the way I was trying to go, so I stuck with what I was doing. And then the next thing I got is this big little antiques and collectibles tray. This was pretty pricey, honestly. It was $39.99 and then 40% off of that. I did fill it with these pumpkins, obviously, already. You guys are kind of getting like a sneak peek of my decor because I did do it. However, a lot of stuff's not up there because I took it down for this video. So that's why it looks a little crazy back there. But I saw this and I knew I had to have it. Another thing I can use all year round. I actually was planning on putting this on the top of my hutch, and I think it would have looked so cute up there, but it was a little too big. So many ways you can use that throughout the year that would look so cute as like a centerpiece on a coffee table, or just so many different ways. So I knew I wanted that, even though it was a little bit pricier than what I would have liked to spend. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to Hobby Lobby. This is where I got the most of my items. I picked up a few things from their clearance section. So the first few things I got are these candlesticks. I'm actually gonna spray paint these, and these are gonna be used for my centerpiece. This is not like the route I was planning to go for my centerpiece at all, but once I saw these in the clearance section, it just like popped up in my head, and I knew I needed to get them because I think it's gonna look so cute. So the bigger one was $3.99, and then the other two were $3.49, and going this route rather than the route I was originally planning for my centerpiece actually ends up being a lot cheaper. So this like excited me a whole lot when I saw them. So I picked those up, and then I also picked up some spray paint because, like I said, I'm gonna be spray painting them. This was originally $5.99 and then 30% off of that. I'm gonna do like a whole video on my dining room table like dedicated to that. So speaking of that, Monday, August 17th, I will have up my whole house fall decorate with me. I am so excited for that. I'm really looking forward to it. But outside of that video, I'm gonna have a bunch of decor videos going up as well. Like I'm gonna do a video dedicated to the tiered tray, to my front porch, to the dining room table. If there's any other spaces that you guys would like to see like a dedicated video to, then let me know and I would definitely do it for you guys. Sometimes I just like spending a little bit more time on an area than like what I can do in a whole house decorate with me. So anyways, moving on from that, I also picked up some things from the wedding section actually. I got these two eucalyptus rings, candle rings. These are so cute in so many different ways, like so many ways to use these. I can use these all year round, and I'm loving eucalyptus for fall. It's just such like a pretty floral that like really blends in with the pumpkins and everything. So the wedding section was 50% off. I got both of these for $6. I also picked up two of these eucalyptus garlands. from the wedding section. These were originally $19.99, so $9.99 a piece. Oh, I also almost forgot, from the clearance section, I also picked up this jar. Oh my gosh, the florals didn't come in there, but they're just kind of like stuck in there right now, and I don't feel like taking them out. So this is only $1.74, and again, I was so pumped to find this because right before I went to Hobby Lobby, I went to Joann's, and I was checking out, they have a bunch of jars like this, bigger and smaller, and I was checking them out, and they were over $20 for the bigger ones, about $20 for like this size one, and I'm so glad that I did not spend that money because $1.74, it goes so perfect. I'm so drawn to this with like the like rust orange and even like this brown used together. Oh, just so pretty. The wheat going with this, so pretty. I'm like, I just love I love that this is a trend this year because I think it's so beautiful. So that was $1.74, and then I did pick up these wheat sticks from Hobby Lobby as well. I actually got 8 of these that are throughout my house. These were $3.99 a piece, and then of course the fall section was 40% off. So I picked up quite a few of those. And then I also picked up quite a few of these. I believe these ones were $8.99 a piece and then 40% off. I saw this and like I just had to get them. I love this color, like this rusty orange. It looks so pretty with the wheat. Again, so pretty with the amber jars, like just so stinking cute. Love those. Okay, and then I picked up this cake stand. I'm so excited for this. It's funny because my sister-in-law actually FaceTimed me when she was at Hobby Lobby and was like asking for advice on her decor, and something that she showed me was right next to this, and it's like, oh my god, I need that cake stand. It's so cute. So I ended up going to Hobby Lobby the next day and getting it because I fell right in love from her FaceTime. But this was originally $27.99 and then it was 50% off, so it was only like $13. I also picked up this bag of pumpkins, which are basically the same as the ones I got last year. They're a little different. Like I feel like the ones this year, it's not really picking it up on camera, it looks the same on camera, but I feel like the ones this year are a little bit lighter than the ones last year. It almost looks like they got like more white spray paint on them or something, or maybe that's just dust. I don't know, maybe they're the exact same. These were $9.99 and then 50% off of that. Okay, then I picked up this little gnome. How cute is she? I thought she was adorable. It's only $7.99 and then 40% off. And I don't know, I saw her and just figured I need to add her into my decor somewhere. Thought she was super cute. And then I picked up a few pieces that I was thinking tier tray decor. So this one is this, actually it's a little ornament, but can easily hide the ornament tag, cut it off, whatever. This was $2.99 and then 40% off. And let me tell you guys how I've had these tags on. Like I said, my house is decorated, so I've been like keeping the tags on so I can tell you guys the prices. I'm so excited to finally film this video so I can get the tags off because they've been driving me nuts. And then I also picked up this Farm Fresh pumpkins. Pick your own little pumpkin sign to go with it. I think it's super cute, and I love the way my 2-tier tray turned out for this year, so I can't wait to show you guys that video. Okay, and then I believe the last piece I picked up from Hobby Lobby is this doormat. I had one last year that said, "Hey there, pumpkin," and I loved it. It was like $7 from Joann's, but I don't know what happened to it. I don't know if it got gross and I threw it out or like what, but I couldn't find it anywhere. So I just picked up this new one that says, "Hello, pumpkin," with the little pumpkin. This was $19.99 and then 40% off, so $12. And this one's actually a bigger size than the other one I had. So I was excited to find that because I love the "Hey there, pumpkin" saying. Okay, so let's see. Now I'm going to move on to, actually I got one thing from Target. So I'll show you the one thing I got. It's just this little amber glass candlestick. This was $4.99, candle holder, not candlestick. Really, I just got it to go with this. I don't have a whole lot of this look here, and I wish I had more because I would love to decorate with this throughout my whole house, but I just can't justify spending $20 on a jar. So when I found $1.74 and a $4.99 one, I figured I can make these work, and so I kind of stuck with this theme throughout my kitchen, and then sprinkled like the colors throughout my house so they kind of go together, but it's kind of like different throughout the whole house. You guys will see. You'll see on Monday the 17th for my decorate with me. I'll move on to Joann's now. I picked up a couple of things from there. So first I picked up 2 of these little hanging leaves. I just thought these were super cute in that like rusty color that I was going for. And then a more neutral, which my living room has a lot of grays in it. So I thought these just went really well. These were $19.99 a piece, which I think is super pricey. But they were 40% off, so $12, which is still pretty pricey in my opinion. But I really needed something for my gallery wall in my living room. And I just thought that those would go perfect. And then the last thing from Joann's is this sign, which I just fell in love with. It says, gather leaves, memories, family and friends, bonfires and hayrides, grateful pumpkins, fresh apple cider, which is just, you know, fall on a sign. This is again pricey. I feel like Joann's stuff is always really pricey until they mark it down to like that 60% off, you know? But then you're kind of like risking it, like is this gonna be here when it goes to 60% off or not? So I got it at the 40% off and then was a little disappointed because the next week was all down to 50%. But this was $59.99 and then 40% off of that. So definitely more than I would have liked to spend, but I think this is really cute and it is a really good quality. Like it's a pretty thick wood. Okay, I picked up one thing from Decor Steals, which is like a it's a website where they drop new products every day basically, and they always have the cutest things, you guys. It's so bad. I get like their text to my phone. I've actually had a lot of willpower because this is the only thing I've bought from them, but they always have cute things, and I get like the text alert 2 times a day. So basically though, you get like 24 hours to kind of steal the piece for the day. Sometimes it sells out and stuff. But I picked up this set of 3 candle holders. I just have all the candle holders in this haul. These are just a really pretty white color and they're nice and distressed. And these were a really good price. So I've been wanting some for a long time that I can use for everyday decor. And I got these 3 for $19.99, I believe it was, which is just a great price because usually they're like $19.99 a piece. So I was really happy to grab those, and again it all just like goes so nicely together. Since they're distressed, the brown brings out that amber color. Okay, now lastly I have some things from Amazon, which my mom actually got me all this stuff for my birthday, but I thought I'd share it with you guys because it was more recently and it's all gonna be in my upcoming fall videos, and it's also all like really great everyday decor that will probably be out, you know, year round with some changes. Okay, so the first thing I was really excited for is this little hanging scale. I've seen this all over the place and there's so many cute ways to decorate it with it, and I've wanted it for so long, and I had it in my Amazon cart. I use my mom's Amazon Prime, so I had it in her cart and a few other things, and she ended up just buying them for me for my birthday, which I was super excited because I always add things to the cart and then never actually buy them, so I probably wouldn't have this right now if she didn't do that. I want to say that this was $29.99 or like 30 something along those lines, but so cute with some pumpkins in it or some candles, or again Christmas trees. Add these little candle rings with a pumpkin in the middle. Super cute and such just an easy piece to switch up for every season, which like I said is what I've been trying to go for, even though I suck at it. And then also this table runner. It's like this just super neutral gray and white like chevron pattern with some fringe at the end. And then she got me some pillow covers that I'm super excited for. So if you've been watching me for a while, you know that I've had blue pillows in my living room since we bought this house, because when we bought the couches they came with like the navy blue pillows. And so last year I did like a navy blue and rust color in my living room, and I've just been so over the navy blue pillows. But pillows are so expensive, so I wanted to just get pillow covers. 1, because they're cheaper, and 2, it's easier if I want to switch it out and stuff like that. So I ended up going with these gray buffalo check ones with like the little pom-poms around the edges, and they came in a set of 2. And then I also got these gray ones with like the buttons on them up here. I think they're so cute. And again, just so easy to match with everything if I wanted to add some fall pillows or whatever. And then also she got me this pillow cover that says family, a little bit of crazy, a little bit of loud, a whole lot of love. And so I ended up putting all those out in my living room. and I'm so happy for them because I don't have to base my decor around navy blue anymore. So I was very excited for that. The very last thing I got was from TJ Maxx. It's just this riser. It's actually a set of 2 of these risers. I was so excited when I saw these because I've been looking for the beaded risers for so long and I have not been able to find them. And then the first time I went into TJ Maxx since Corona, I was able to find a set of 2. These are just so great to layer things with, and the set of 2 was for $14.99. Put candle on, put your soaps in your kitchen on, put pumpkin on, like so many different ways. And again, just a great all year around piece. So this is actually the very last piece of this haul. I believe that this will be my only fall decor haul. That is my goal. I don't want to buy anything else. I'm trying really hard to not spend too much money on decor other than when the Target Dollar Spot comes out with their stuff. You know your girl's gonna be checking that out. Hopefully they got some good things. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to press that subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you're new here, introduce yourself in the comments down below. I love getting to know you guys and talking with you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.